Hi guys, I'm Dani. I know that this video may sound really funny to you, but I'm going to show you how to sit properly in a chair. I learned this years ago from a teacher, and it has saved my back so much discomfort from flying especially. So if you fly a lot, I want to teach you some tips on how you can keep your back pain-free. So first you're going to sit down in your chair and you're going to wiggle your hips as far back into the chair crease as it'll go. Now I want you to think of your pelvis. Right now my pelvis is tipping forward. This is called an anterior tilt. So I want you to think of moving the pelvis into neutral. Pelvis translates to bowl. So you want to think of a bowl sitting on the chair without tipping forward or tipping back to move into a posterior tilt. Both of these actions are going to create a lot of back pain, especially if you tip the pelvis, rotate your spine, and hunch forward. For sure, if you're doing this position for any amount of time on a long flight, you're gonna wake up and you're gonna be in pain for quite a few days. So you sit back, pelvis is nice and level. Some flights still hand out those little pillows and blankets. Take it and place it behind the pelvis. That'll help keep your pelvis from moving one way or the other. Then you take the strap, the seatbelt, you put it across the hip crease, right up here where the hips and thighs connect. You tighten it. You want to have it tight so your pelvis doesn't have the tendency to tuck or arch. So once the pelvis is held tight and secure, your thigh bones are parallel to one another, and you want your feet flat on the floor. I'm using a blanket because this chair is a little high and I'm a little petite. So you want your feet flat on the floor. If it's a long flight, you want to create some traction to the spine. You push down into your seat, your armrests, and you lift up and traction out your spine. And of course, getting up as much as you can is also going to be very helpful on a long flight. I want you to take these tips on how to sit in an airplane seat and move them into your car with you as well. So sitting here, instead of driving like this, have your legs parallel with feet flat on the floor and try to maintain integrity of the pelvis and the spine. Same thing when you're working at your desk and at your computer. All these little tips of awareness on how you can hold your body are ultimately going to help you feel better in the end. So thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.